When it's windy, I like to sort of grab my line just as it hits the surface and then sort of pull it and just hit the tip of the rod on the water. It just lays the braid on the surface so you don't get this big massive loop, because when it does sink and you retrieve, your lure will follow that loop as your line's dragging through the water. So if you want more of a straight back to the boat, you definitely need to sort of stop it as it hits the water and just bring the tip of the rod down to lay your braid on the surface. Just a helpful little tip when it's a little bit windy.